Hey, how are you? I'm good. How are you? What about you guys? I am very good. I am doing well and I have been improving English. So for that reason I am using you because you can help me. Because you cannot make fun of me. And I am a beginner. I don't know about English everything. I don't know. I cannot speak well. Because of this reason I am using you. And you will not make fun of me. Yeah? Of course, I will not try to make fun of you. I cannot do it. Okay. So, what is your name? I am a mirror. Okay. What about you? Okay, my name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a small village of Uttar Pradesh which is called Kutupur. And what are you doing now? Nothing, I'm just stuck on the wall. I'm just hanged by the thread. Okay, what about you? I completed my graduation and I started a YouTube channel. I want to help those guys who come from village areas. They are not able to learn this language because of so many problems. I can relate to those guys. Because of this reason I just want to make the video. Okay, so I am talking to you. What do you want to become? Actually, I want to become an IAS officer and I am preparing for civil service examination for this reason. Yes. So this was a mirror conversation. It can help you to learn this language if you are a beginner, if you want to learn this language. So this was a mirror conversation. How do you have to use? You have known by watching this video. Guys, you can learn this language. You will definitely be improving if you are using mirror like this. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who wants to learn this language, and they will definitely be finding very good. They will definitely be finding my videos very helpful. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and comment on my comment section and subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading these kinds of videos. So like this, I wanted to tell you how do you have to use mirror. So you just have to use like this. If you have a mirror, you can speak, you can talk to yourself in front of the mirror, you can talk to yourself in front of the dressing, you can use a smartphone. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to clarify your misconception. How do I have to use mirror? So like this, you just have to use, you just have to convert, you just have to do conversation to yourself, whatever you have done from morning to night, you just have to use like this. You have to ask the questions, and after that you have to give answers. Okay, like this. Have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.